Short discussion lang po ito about the branches of science. So, ano yung naaalala nyo about sa science? Subject. So, science is a systematic body of knowledge based on careful observation and experimentation. So, we have two branches here, the social science and the natural science. So, if you are taking Hume's clock, okay, yung mga humanities and social sciences, dito kayo banda sa social science magfo-focus. Yung mga kumukuha naman po ngayon ng STEM or Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, mas marami kayong subjects, mga specialized subjects sa natural science. So, ano yung difference ng dalawang to? Social science muna tayo. Social science is the study of relationships among people and their society. So, from the word social, ibig sabihin po, tungkol din po ito sa tao at saka sa community. For the natural science, it seeks to understand the different processes of the natural and physical world. So, tungkol naman po sa paligid natin, kung ano yung nakikita natin sa ating physical world. And then, meron tayong two branches din po for natural science. Let's start with the pure science and tuloy tayo sa applied science mamaya. Pure science is used to gain innovative knowledge. So, ito po ay more on knowledge lang po talaga. Ano yung mga pinag-aaralan ng mga concepts tungkol dito sa pure science. And then, kapag naman po yung napag-aralan dito sa pure science ay nai-apply na, ito naman po, applied science aims to discover facts or knowledge to solve a particular problem. Okay, na-apply na. So, ano meron dito sa ating pure science? We have biological science and the physical science. So, biological science or biology, the study of living things. Kapag study of living things, syempre, botany, yung study of plants. And living things din po, we have the zoology or the study of animals. Paano naman kapag sa physical science? Physical science, tatlo yan. Ayan po yung tatlo. So, ano kaya yung tatlo dyan sa physical science? Syempre, kapag biological science, yun yung male life. Pero kapag, biological science, living things, physical science naman po ay non-living things. So, ibig sabihin, dito sa physical science, ano yung tatlong yan? So, physical science, meron tayong tatlo. We have the chemistry, the physics, and the earth science. So, ano yung chemistry, ano yung physics, and ano yung earth science for our physical science? Chemistry, the study of the properties, composition, and structure of matter. Kapag physics naman po, classical physics, isang branch, another branch is the modern physics. Pag sinabi nating physics, it is the study of the interaction between matter and energy. So, earth science naman po, earth science is the study of the planet Earth. Kaya po sa ating subject na Earth and Life Science, nandito po lahat ng Earth Science na concepts plus dudugtungan lang po natin ng Biological Science. Bakit sa Earth may buhay? Okay, so ano yung mga pag-aaralan dito sa Earth Science? One is the geology. We have hydrology, meteorology, and astronomy. So when we say geology, it is the study of the Earth's land. So, geo means earth, land, rocks. Okay? So, yung mga mountains kasama po dyan. Hydrology, the study of the Earth's water. So, yung mga ocean natin, bodies of water, sa lahat po sa Earth na may tubig, kahit po ang icebergs ay kasama dito sa hydrology. Next, we have the meteorology. So, when we say meteorology, it is the study of the atmosphere and climate. Kasama po dito pinag-aaralan yung weather. Okay? So, meteorology po yun. And then, astronomy is the study of the universe. So, syempre, ang Earth po natin ay kabilang po sa ating universe.